Okay, I'm just going to show you a quick demonstration of charging a capacitor at constant current. The main things really here are the variable resistor, 100 kilo ohms, and we've also got a 2200 microfarad capacitor, and then a very sensitive ammeter here. The voltmeter is going to be a data logger there, okay? Right, so let me just get the data logger set up, and started, and zoomed in. Okay, now we can plug in. Now watch the galvanometer when I connect the circuit. Shoots off to the right, so it's starting to charge. Now if I zoom in on there, now it's going to start to drop. So I'm going to have to change the resistance in the circuit to keep it, whoops, wrong way, to keep it fairly constant. Seems as though it's moving quite a lot, but this is a very sensitive ammeter here, so the change in current isn't really that high, okay? As we'll see in a moment when we look at the graph of voltage. So you can see there that I'm trying to keep it sort of, in this case, between 7 and 8. Well, actually between 16 and 17. Right. Even though you get wobbles like that there, it won't be evident in the graph. Now normally when you charge capacitor you should get an exponential rise, okay, but or 1 minus exponential. But if you look at the graph there, look, it's linear. That's the graph of voltage against time, okay? So even though I wasn't paying attention then for a second, look, and it's changed a little bit, the current, it's not massive, okay? It doesn't affect the voltage that much. I thought before I did this experiment that it would actually be quite difficult to control the change in the resistance, keeping the current constant, but it's actually pretty easy to do. So it's a nice experiment to do. Charging a capacitor at constant current. Okay, so there's the graph. At the moment it's up to about 2.5 volts, fairly linear. Okay.